Today I'll be showing you how to recover your bookmarks in Firefox. Let's take a look. First of all, you want to enable hidden features in your File Explorer by opening up the Start menu and then typing up File Explorer, and it should come up with Settings. Here you'll be presented with a new window. From here you can select the View tab, and then if you scroll down slightly you should see Hidden Files and Folders. Just tick the Show Hidden Files box and then click OK. Once you've done that, you'll want to browse to your C drive, go to your Users folder, select your user, go to the App Data folder, and then Roaming, then Mozilla, Firefox, and finally click on Profiles. Here you'll find a folder with .default on the end. Open that folder up and you'll find another folder titled Bookmark Backups. Inside this contains all the backup files. Now that we have located the files, open up Firefox and then select the three lines on the top right, then select Bookmarks and then Manage Bookmarks. You want to select on Import/Backup and then choose Restore. It will give you some options here with automatic backups. This may contain what you need, or you can browse to where we just were and locate the file manually to restore from there. If you have moved this, then just browse to the location and select the file. You should then find that all your bookmarks show at the top again. In the future, I would recommend creating a Firefox account and then signing in so you can back up all your settings to the cloud, including bookmarks. And that's it. If you like this video and want to see more, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. See you in the next one.